The other part that I want to talk about it as very important is the coordinate system that we use. If you look at this coordinate system, this is what we have, and this is the I would say the universal coordinate system is sitting there, and we can have it. But sometimes we may want, in addition to that universal coordinate system that sits at 0, 0, we also may have the user-defined coordinate system. And to get that user-defined coordinate system, you can come here and in the command line, you can type um, the UCS user, yeah, and you will see the UCS will come. It's a UCS. If you click on that, um, it will ask you to define the user coordinate system. So you can take the coordinate system to any point that you want and say, oh, for example, I want my coordinate system, instead of being here, I want the user coordinate system to start from that corner there, and then I can set it there to stay there. I will talk about that more, but right now, so I can define my user coordinate system that everything is going to be there. Um, and you can see here the coordinate system here changed, so it's not the word coordinate system anymore. It's this unnamed, because I didn't give it the name, but it's the unnamed coordinate system here. If I want to go back to the original coordinate system, and remember that word coordinate system is going to always be there. You don't see it, but it's going to be always there. So I type UCS, user coordinate system, click on that, and then you will see it gives me some options here, and I can go ahead and click on the word. If I click on the word here, it will switch back to the original word coordinate system. We'll talk about that later, that how we can use the different coordinate system in our drawing. In some cases, it's easier to start drawing everything respect to the user coordinate system. Sometimes it's easier to do it respect to the word coordinate system. So depending on what we are doing, we may switch between the coordinate system, and we talk about that also later.